Yeah, you missed. Yeah, I bet you feel done now. Glue that to the floor. Beautiful. What do you want, bud? Coming at me or what, bro? Where the hell is Kelvin? Has he been slack? Lol. Kelvin? 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 Hey, come at me. Come on. Yeah, I don't think so. Get logs and fill holder. Go. Boom. Make width. Go. Look, this guy is just hanging around. I don't like him threatening. Oi. You did not. You did not. You did not hit Calvin. He is the one you do not hit. Hey, buddy. You're okay. Yeah, you're fine, hey? Yeah. Hey? Yes. I just don't even believe that guy, right? Like, attacking my Kelvin like that. Yeah, you just keep floating, bro. You're fish food now. Did anybody else do those, like, little boats made out of leaves as a kid? Surely. Yeah, this is basically like that. Go on, over the waterfall. We're going to see if it survives. It will not. Kelvin, you're doing the Lord's work, my dude. Back to the logs, lad. You're doing fine. You know what? We're going to... So, we've got the home base, well, I'm doing more to it anyway. Put these, I'm gonna rebuild this bit. Okay, this is what I'm doing here. Not just removing the wall. What am I doing? You know what? It's like, it's okay. It's okay, because we're gonna do that. Beautiful. Yes. It's all coming together. Ha ha ha. Calvin, don't step on the traps, you fool. Okay. Beautiful. Pointy stick there. I mean, I put it there, so I did know that, actually, yeah. Kelvin, we could have a lot more logs if you carried 2 at a time like I do. Hey, what? Hey, didn't I send you to get logs? Is this one of those doofuses with a... What the fuck? Hey! Uh-oh. Yeah. What are you doing? Did you steal my log? Yeah. You're feeling dumb now that you're set on fire? Huh? You are not chasing Kelvin. That was not ideal. What the fuck? Yeah, I thought you'd feel dumb in a sec. Do not. Yeah, I know I'm thirsty. Thirsty. Now have a look, eat your friend, yeah. Absolute dick. Honestly. These guys just aren't friendly. I didn't start this. I just want that known. Yeah, look, I hate to tell you, but he started it, hey, so I feel no sympathy at all, I'm afraid. Sorry. A new day. Oh, wonderful. Wow, this is going exceedingly well now. What are you doing, Virginia? I haven't seen... Where have you been, by the way? Thank you. What is this? Open it. What the hell is this? An oyster. Nice. Another. Tape and meds. Yeah, Betty. Hey, logs. Why don't I build a holder over here? That would be sensational of me. have no sticks. This is a crime specifically against me. You know, I think even a third one over here would be a solid plan. Beautiful. Mate, why aren't you using the other log holder now? Like, I've built you specifically. Fine.
Bruh.
No! My house! You know, eventually I'm gonna rebuild this, so I don't know why I keep picking it up. I'll reload this. Right. Yeah, come here. Come here, do it. Oh, you're a big boy. Oh, no. I'd say sorry, but I'd be lying. Come on, buddy. In the water. Come on. Come on. Lol. Gravity does not affect this. Apparently. Goodness me. There's an angel. She's got 3 legs. Let's go back to the book. Let's build another trap, I reckon. More the merrier, hey? I mean, like, not for them. But they started this, so. Beautiful. Beautiful. Damn. Ah! What do you mean a spider's underwater? It's good distance. You know, that's actually okay. That's okay. Now, can I... No. Oh, is this... Oh, it's higher. Okay. And glue the wood together, apparently. Oh! The rabbit hit the trap. Oh! Yeah.
Bruh.
I just... Yep. Just took out my house again. It's cool, though. It's cool, you see. Hup. Yeah, big jumps. What did I not pick up the rabbit? I would strongly like to know how this like just dismantled this rabbit is so. Yeah, get me now, mutants! Oh. Okay. I need to start a fire. Okay, feeling pretty good about the stuff I've got in my bag right now. Next to the babbling brook, you know, it's just nice. It's just really nice. Dead people can't really fight back properly. Alright. This has been nice and productive. Got a nice little bit of a roof up. Is this... Calvin, are you picking up all of your logs? I feel like you're not, you see, and that troubles me. For several reasons. One, I'm ecologically, you know, aware. Hey, what's on you? Oh, it's just mud. You're okay. Why does she kind of walk? She walks kind of like a horse, right? Well, why do you walk like a horse? Why does anything happen at all? What? Is she collecting a stick? Like, and when I say a stick, I mean like a stick. Like, she got one. Thank you. I appreciate all your work. Continue. Her wrist is absolutely broken. We got some visitors. Hey! Nice of you to rock up just before I leave. God, that's funny. Just hilarious. These things just absolutely explode people. Ooh, okay, well. Hey, you are just joking with me, aren't you? I don't even know. You would see me, you just, that's very, very Uncool. Really? Really? Really?